All right, what's up? Congratulations. Welcome to the Agency Builder Academy brought to you by Eula Media Group. I'm Coach Corey. Together we'll do it better. And I just want to take this video to go over what Crawl is, like what you kind of just got into, right? So Crawl is our free level of the program here, guys. You got to learn to crawl before you can walk, and you got to learn to walk before you can run, right? That's our 3-step process here. So here in the Crawl level, we're going to show you guys a very simple method of making money, good money, by just doing a little bit of groundwork, right? So we are going to be giving you a Google scraping tool, which we're going to give you training on how to use it. But basically all it does is it searches Google for a bunch of different businesses based on the niche and location that you put into it. It's going to bring it back into a sheet for you, and then you're just going to go down that sheet and call the businesses that are on it, seeing if they want to upgrade their funnels. You're going to be selling high converting websites, right? Don't call it funnels, call it websites, because businesses don't know what funnels are. They know what websites are. So you're going to say that you'll be able to sell them a website that converts 20 to 30% better than the one that they currently have. Get them all hopped up. We'll go over that inside of the actual phone script and website templates later in this course. But just think like you are trying to sell high converting websites to small business owners. That is all you're trying to do here in Crawl, right? We give you the tool to get the business owners, to give them the call, the phone numbers. You give them a call, you get them sold, and then you guys will actually have an affiliate link, which I'm going to talk about here in just a second. But you're just going to send them that affiliate link, and then anything that they buy through that affiliate link, you get a percentage of it, right? So here at the Crawl level, we're doing 33%. So anything that you sell, you're going to get 33% of. So of the $1,500 sale for a website, which is our COVID special is what we call it, you're going to get $500, right? You're going to get basically $500 on the $1,500. That's huge. Like one sale gets you $500. But that's just how it works. There are some other products in there, like I said, but don't worry about those right now. All you want to do is focus on selling the websites. Once they buy the website, guys, you're going to get that 33% commission through our affiliate program, and that's really all there is to it. But let me go ahead and hop off the screen and kind of show you what's inside of the actual members area, right? So here you guys are right now. You're actually watching this video right here. Obviously, I'm making it, so it's not in here yet. But this is the Eula Media Group Agency Builder Academy. You guys are in the Crawl level watching the welcome video. Down below this video, guys, you want to make sure that you go and join. If you haven't already, make sure you join our Facebook group, join our LinkedIn group. That's where we'll be doing a lot more ongoing training. We want you guys to really start building teams inside of there and just building your network, getting some good relationships going, because that's really the beauty of doing these kind of things, right? Is the people that you get to meet, the people that you get to work with. Like, that's always been my favorite part of it. Yeah, the money is great, don't get me wrong, and the time freedom is fantastic. But being able to get around more like-minded people, there's just a certain energy that we all bring to each other, and that's what we're really looking to create here. Is just that rock solid, kick butt team. So that's that. After you do that, after you get into the Facebook group and the LinkedIn group, you're going to go over here to the sign up as an affiliate. And that, again, is just our way of being able to track the sales that you guys create. So this isn't going to be affiliate marketing. This isn't you going around and trying to promote your link to all these different Facebook groups and, whatever, or email blasts, whatever. Like, you are literally just picking up the phone, calling a business, and then once they're interested in buying, you're going to send them a link that is going to track your commissions for you so that we can pay you and make sure that you're getting paid, and you can make sure that you're getting some kind of confirmation of you making the sale, right? After that, we're going to show you our Google tool and how to install it. Again, we're going to try to keep these videos as short and sweet as possible, guys, because I absolutely hate buying into all these high ticket courses and stuff in the past, like $5,000 for a course, and it's got 30 hours of training, and like 25 of those hours is just fluff, right? So I'm going to do my absolute best to keep these short and to the point. Just, this is what you got to do, now go do it, and then it's up to you to do it, right? But you got to keep that positive mindset where you're going through this too, because that's the only way you're going to get to be successful, right? You got to have that winner's mindset. So I will help you guys out with that inside the groups. But right now, that's that. So we're going to show you how to download it. You're just going to click this button. I'll go over that inside of this video, and then we're going to show you how to use the tool. Once you know how to use the tool, then we're going to show you our phone scripts. That way you guys can start calling, because that's all there is to it. You find the leads, you call the leads, you sell them a website, you give them your affiliate link, and you make $500 on every single sale, right? So that's all there is to it, guys. That's all there is with the crawl. I will see you in the next video. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, make sure to sign up for the Facebook group and the LinkedIn group in the link down below. Again, thank you so much for joining, guys. You know, this program, the reason why I wanted to create this program was because I've spent $5,000-$10,000 on a course, right? 30 hours long. And don't get me wrong, the information was great, but I went through 30 hours of training to figure out this is all I really needed, you know? And I hated the fact that I had to come out of pocket so much money just to get in, right? So I wanted to be able to create a program where people like you that might want to give it a shot but don't want to spend the $5,000, this is your opportunity, guys. You got in absolutely free. It's not going to cost you anything. We give you the tools. We give you the training. All you got to do is have the motivation and the dedication to pick up the phone, call some businesses, and sell them websites, right? Every time you do, you're getting $500. So, I mean, that's easy peasy. I think it's freaking awesome. I know that you guys are going to do a great job. You just have to do the work, right? Like if I gave you a pair of dice, a pair of dice, and said, I'm going to give you $500 every time that it rolls snake eyes, you know, just the 1 in 1, how many times are you going to roll the dice, right? Now, the odds are 1 in 36. That means you could roll the dice 36 times and it not hit snake eyes once, right? Or it should hit at least once. But what I'm saying to you right now is, how many times are you going to pick up that phone for a chance to win $500, right? I mean, you're not going to win it. You're going to earn it. But I would roll the dice. You know, keep rolling the dice. It's not costing you anything. It's just costing you a little bit of time. When I first started doing this, I was doing it from my day job. I would do it on my lunch at my day job in my car. Like literally just calling as many people as I could from my car at my day job on my lunch, like not eating, right? Because that's the type of person that you need to be in order to be successful, not just with this, but with anything in life. You've got to want it more than anybody else out there, period, right? You got to want it more than you want to eat, right? You got to be so hungry to be successful that you're willing to not eat on your lunch and start making phone calls in your car, because that's what you know needs to be done in order to be successful. And if you have that kind of mindset, guys, you are going to easily be able to grow this to a 6 or 7 figure business in the next 12 months or less. I guarantee it, man. But stay hungry, get out there, get after it, get to this training, and start picking up the phone, because we want to see you on the leaderboard for the top salesman of the month. All right, that's it, guys. We will see you in the next video, where we're going to show you how to download your Google Chrome tool. That way you can start getting your leads and start making those phone calls. All right, see ya.